Hello. Welcome back to the Snickerdoodle YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here with you chatting with another video. It's been a hot minute since I've had a new design, and so super excited to have this to share with you. So this is, it's an Easter egg dishcloth canvas art project for craft project for kids and adults and whomever. So you can use it plain as a dishcloth, or like the medium size is good for a scrubby, or like the small size is good for like makeup cleaner kind of thing. Or you can use like the small size as like garland, or you can use them medium and small size as like little decor pieces on the table, centerpiece kind of thing. What else? Anyway, lots of different uses. Be creative, but one of my favorite uses is as an art project for kids and adults. I had a fun time putting everything together, so yes. All right, so as you can see here, or as I already mentioned, there are three sizes because there's the small, medium, and large, and I'll show you them here individually. So this is the large size. This is the size that would be good for dishcloth. So like this one, I just have a wide ribbon on it with some buttons. This one's plain. This one I have small buttons and a twine flower. For the small size, this is just little felt pieces glued on. This one's plain, ombre colored. And then this is like a modified duplicate stitch to try to do like a zigzaggy chevron kind of look. And then here for our medium size, this is what we have. So this one is a little face. Could be a mustache, or this could be like a frown or something, whatever. Made out of buttons and then a little felt piece cut out. This is duplicate stitch using different yarn colors. Obviously this one's plain. So talking about the pattern itself, techniques, of course, always all the technique videos, all the techniques have videos linked in the pattern, but it's knit, purl, increases, decreases. And then let's see here. Written instructions, charted instructions. There is also a garter version. So like this is the garter version of the egg. If you get one, you get the other 50% off. And you can see other ways that I decorated those in that video. Or I have lots of other videos that are available in pattern, but you can also find them on the YouTube channel. So I have one that's specifically going, like showing you how I'm decorating all of them. And then I have one that's specifically talking about using glues on your cotton yarn. I have one that is talking about using marker, because on one of my garter ones, I used marker to decorate it. Yeah, and then in the linked in the pattern, this isn't available just on my YouTube channel, I worked through the medium size with you. So there's the full tutorial, me working through the whole pattern with you. Obviously the numbers aren't exactly the same for the small and the medium, or small and large sizes, but if you have the pattern next to you, you can, you know, work it all together as well. So yeah, super fun. I'm really excited about the craft project part. If you are a dishcloth scrubby kind of person, obviously it's amazing for that as well. But I hope you have a lot of fun with it. It's really meant to, you know, just take it and run with it and be free and creative, and don't like try to make anything perfect. They're super quick, easy to make with scraps. You could do it as a spring activity, spring decor kind of thing. You could do it as an Easter specific thing. Like you could do it beforehand, if like, you know, the long weekend before Easter, do as a project with the kids. Or it could be like one of my test knitters was like, hey, this would be a great project just for Easter dinner, because it works out so quickly and then you just decorate it. So yeah, super fun. And you can keep them around. And you know, cost of eggs right now are so expensive that this is an alternative way to decorate eggs and incorporate more crafting and maybe make it less messy than decorating eggs. You could also like dye, like if you use like white yarn, you could also dye these eggs as well. But potentially less messy, and you can keep it around. It's not gonna rot on you. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. Patterns available on Ravelry and my website. I'll have it linked in the description. And I hope to see your projects. Go ahead and, you know, link your project page on Ravelry. Feel free to send me an email with your project or tag me on Instagram. Alrighty, enjoy and happy knitting. I'll catch you again soon.